Hey everybody, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you are gonna stop that bad breath, stop that smelling, let me not be rude, but of course stop the smelly mouth. Yeah, have you actually experienced where you are talking and someone is just shifting back, or have you actually experienced where someone is talking, you are shifting back? So you can equally just introduce this to the person and say, oh, can you try this? You might not necessarily tell the person, oh, your mouth smells, but sometimes it's great to just come out straight, yeah, so the person can know what's up. Yeah, okay, so if you want to know how to end your mouth odor and have a sparkling white teeth, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment. Now let me take you right into the video. Okay guys, so to never have bad breath or remove all of the mouth odor, you're gonna be needing gloves, and this is actually gloves powder. Yeah, gloves actually helps to remove bad breath. Now when you take gloves, man, you're going to notice that even if you do not wash your mouth is not going to be smelly, because it's going to help you to wash out all of the bacteria and kill all of the germs in your gums. Yeah, so actually blended, this is actually a blended gloves. Okay, so you know how gloves used to look. I'm going to be putting a picture somewhere. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Yeah, so we're going to be getting a cup, and I'm going to be putting just a little of this gloves, just a little of it will go a long way. And then I'm going to be putting water. Okay, so we're going to be putting water and then stir it. Okay, so to kill bad breath, you're equally going to be needing to use baking soda. Alright, so baking soda is a little abrasive in the gum when you actually use it too much. Okay, so it's something that you have to use at least once in a week. Yeah, so this is how you're gonna make it. So we're gonna be needing just a little bit of baking soda into the gloves, and then you stir it. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. And what are you going to be using this for? You're going to be using this to gargle your mouth. You're going to be using it to gargle your teeth, and so it's going to kill all of the bacteria, and it's going to give you an healthy gum, and your breath is going to be really fresh. Yeah, so that is actually one section. Now the next section is also going to be baking soda is going to be required in the next section, guys. Alright, so this is how you're going to be doing it. Now this particular one is going to be for brushing your teeth, in case you have those brownish looking teeth. Okay, so I'll have to mash it so that all of the lump in the baking soda will be removed. And then we're gonna be needing Colgate. Okay, now the reason why I kind of use Colgate so well is because of the minty flavor and the ingredients in Colgate, which actually helps when you mix it with baking soda to remove all of the brownish thing on your teeth, and then whiten up your teeth really well. So after putting that, then we'll have to mix it together. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing to use coconut oil. Okay, so now using coconut oil alongside with baking soda is actually very important. Now let me tell you why it is important. It is important so that it will actually reduce the abrasiveness of the baking soda, and it will also help to remove mouth odor, and it will also help to maintain an healthy strong teeth. Okay, so that's why we need baking soda in this mix. Yeah, so we mix everything together really well. And here we have our pastes here. Okay, so we have a paste to brush the teeth and remove all of the brownish stuff, and then we'll have the water to gargle them out and remove the bad breath, and you know, give you that fresh breath. Now let's go into the washroom. Let me go demonstrate this to you because I love to demonstrate all of my ingredients. Yeah. Okay guys, so for this you have to put it and gargle it in your mouth. Okay. You do that again. You can actually do that up to 3 times. So you gargle like 3 times. Yeah, so this is the paste. I'm actually using my hand to stir this. Okay, let me get a brush. Okay, so this is the paste and I'm going to be putting it into my brush. Yeah. Okay, so now I'll brush my teeth with it. So after doing that, then you have to brush your tongue with it also. Okay, so immediately you brush, then you have to wash this off, and let me wash it off, I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how my teeth is. My teeth has actually been white all along. Like I brush my teeth with some of this like once in a week, and it actually helped to, you know, keep my teeth super white and my mouth super fresh. Like it is so offensive when you want to, you know, talk and your mouth is actually, you know, smelling bad. So you have to take note of that. Okay, try this out. So that's it guys. After, you know, you put it in your mouth and gargle it just like I've shown you. Yeah, you brush your mouth with it and clean everywhere. Do this at most once in a week. Man, all of your mouth, all of the bad smell is gonna be gone. Like you are not gonna have smelly mouth again. Let's just be blunt here. You are not going to be having smelly mouth again. So go try this out and give it a go. And if you do love the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you again. Bye.